Are you seeing where they're flying?
Yeah.
You see what I mean? They just sort of double feed.
Oh,
Some of them are flying properly where they should.
And some are just stopping shooting. Yeah,
yeah, they're hitting the wall on there. If you shoot a little lower, you'll be able to hear the ones that smack against the wall.
Oh, no, actually.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's when you do it proper fast, some of them double feed.
Where's going?
Second. Working.
So naughty, I'm a full auto.
You just get the occasional. Go Blues!
Are the attackers awake?
The attacker's awake!
That just gas out?
Charlie? Alright, Charlie, what's? That's 3 T's.
No, it's just classic 2.5. It's where the slide's so heavy, because if you take the slide off, the lower's weightless. All the weight's in the top, because it's got a metal encasing. So, obviously where it's so heavy, even red gas doesn't want to push it in this temperature. So, I would need black gas, but I'm not putting black gas in my mag.
Well, just think.
It's how magazines go bang.
That, my Mark 23.
Yeah.
Now it's how it's set up, I can fire 5s.
Yeah. It's because it's not got any blowback, so it doesn't need to waste any gas on moving the parts.
No, before, I wouldn't have fire 5s.
Yeah.
Because of the bucking. I've got a Hakon Design TDC in it.
Oh yeah.
And a 60-degree bucking.
Okay.
It was actually done.
Yep.
I want to get the drum mag for HPA.
Oh yeah, I get you. The same one James has.
And Viking has as well.
Yeah.
But I won't do that. I won't have a big air bottle. Go with a smaller one on the back.
Yeah, so you can just stick it in your dump pouch or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was thinking of doing that for this, but then you got to take all the parts.
Because I was thinking when they get the VSR, my DMR sniper back.
Yeah.
I got the belt already. I got a belt with just three P90 mags on it, which is double mags.
Yeah.
Holders. Then you got another one which has got pouches for a sniper rifle.
Yeah.
And the P90 mags.
Yeah.
So sniper, P90 secondary, and the Mark 23 third.
Oh, what, like when you run? Yeah, I get you.
So you get close and
Just have one on your back if. Yeah.
the sniper rifle.
Will we respawn?
Yeah. As soon as you come down here, you can respawn. This spawn is within the fob and behind it.
I mean, so I can't go up there.
I mean, you can, but then you'd be up on heli if you die. So it's however you want to judge it.
This has been knocked down as well, hasn't it?
Say again?
No, it's been the same height, yeah. Yeah, because you just go and it's
Yeah. We had a few trees. It was surprisingly, it wasn't as many trees as I thought. There was obviously the few branches that came down here, and one on crater. It was only like a small little, you know, the twig trees basically. Yeah. Yeah, you're all good.
We're doing alright so far.
Yeah.
I like it said, oh, the tucking team awake.
How long are we running these for? Hour, cool. How far in are we at the moment?
Got 7 minutes in, so we're doing a shower every 15.
It's like our mutual friends becoming best buddies.
What's that?
It's like our mutual friends becoming best buddies.
Yeah. But if I'm a fit sniper rifle, this would be. I'll probably get 100 metres shot with them quite that easy. I'll be standing there. Ding, ding.
I mean, I'd love to get a drone up.
But it's a bit hard here.
Yeah,
because
this is a bit.
no, not that. What's only a few miles up that way?
Oh fuck yeah.
Gatwick.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah. Oh.
We've had a drone flying around it, but it's a professional pilot.
Yeah.
We had to get all the permissions to do it.
Oh, we get a life in between. Get back out there.
Yeah,
Sorry.
that's all right.
I was trying to catch you up tagging on my computer on my get pulled into it.
No, fuck it, I'm going to start up here. At least that way I got range then.
Bradley updated me. You have a life in between CQB and FOB as well as this one and behind. So if you want to push forward, you can.
No, I mean, I've got range with this anyway, haven't I?
True, true. Just means that when you die, you can sit behind as well. Playing it tactically.
I see.
Just went ankle deep.
Was it a bit deep down there, is it?
Yeah, watch it when you come down, because there are some bits that don't look deep, but
Oh, just round there. I'm going to go around and go knock so it's on the real side.
What's that big test there, son? Mate, hide
We had a carrier, you're alright.
Yeah.
That's Ross's coffee, and that's where he wants burying it, is.
That's far too tall for Ross's coffee.
No, the radio said, oh, they're taking tea with sleep.
A bit useless, isn't it?
I think when we go, we'll pull that top, what, top bit? Yeah. Chuck some smoke down. I'll do it. Until that
Oh, that's got some range. That's got some range on it, hasn't
That
it?
weren't shooting very well.
What's that? 5 metres?
Might be cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's test fine. Doing a wet Christmas break is fine.
You have a nice Christmas?
Relaxing. So in a couple of weeks' time, I will get my sniper rifle back.
Yeah, it's alright, probably.
2 of them right there. Like in between, if you look right between these 3, you can just see a couple
Yeah, I got a VSR-10 being upgraded.
parts.
Test fired it. 4.8s. 2.8 joules.
Jesus.
But he's tweaking it.
We just mashed things out of kids. We went round there, must have been 15 of them all standing contemplating. I felt like I was in an American school.
But in the UK, it's a,
You had the wrong gun for that though.
They put it. We bought about 5-10 grand in.
God, I'm bloody asleep.
Yeah.
Right, I see a movement up, going up the top there as well. Got enough down here.